Hello everyone, today's video is going to be on the draw stroke. I'm not only going to be sharing with you the mechanics of the stroke, I'm also going to be sharing with you one of the best ways to learn how to draw the cue ball with accuracy. I'll walk you through an exercise that I have developed that I think is probably one of the easiest ways for a player to quickly learn how to draw the cue ball to a specific distance. Let us first take a look at the mechanics of our stroke. One of the most important parts of the draw stroke is the cue transition point. Notice here how I pull the cue back and then I hesitate, and then I push the cue forward slowly at first and then accelerate through the cue ball. I look at this action as sort of building energy before I go through the stroke. Another thing that I like to do is keep my cue as low and level as possible. I will say this, if you feel like you need to jack up a little bit, that's fine too, because a lot of players will do that. Now let's look at the layout for our exercise. Note how I have the red object ball at the second diamond. It's also one diamond off the side rail. Our cue ball start position is one diamond back from the red. The cue ball will also be aligned from corner pocket to corner pocket and will be placed out from each diamond on the side rail all the way back to the second diamond from the corner pocket. So here is the incremental draw shot exercise. This by far is the best way, I think, to learn how to draw the cue ball. Notice here I've got it set up very short distance from the object ball to the cue ball. And I'm going to demonstrate only two. I'm going to demonstrate the short distance and the long distance. Now, I want to say this, that as you perform this exercise, move this cue ball back to these two locations as well, not just close and far. Try to move back incrementally, and as you start to draw this cue ball to different locations, as you move the cue ball to different locations, you're going to develop a feel. And what is going to happen is by the time you get back here for this long distance draw shot, you're going to realize that you don't need to pound the cue ball. It's all about action through the cue ball, imparting spin on the cue ball, and keeping that loose grip in that flexible wrist. So now let's take a look at the exercise. Our first shot is this baby draw shot, where we just bring the cue ball back one diamond. Next, our cue ball stays in the same place, however, we pull the cue ball back 2 diamonds. And following the same theme, we pull the cue ball back now 3 diamonds. And now where it gets to be a little bit more tricky, we've got to draw this cue ball back in a straight line all the way back to the 4th diamond. And for time's sake, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to go all the way back to the long distance draw shot. And like my previous example, we pull the cue ball back just 1 diamond. And next, we're going to try to bring it back 2 diamonds, while also focusing on keeping it in a straight line as it comes back. And here you see I'm coming back to the 3rd diamond. And then lastly, it's all the way back to the 4th diamond. And if you're feeling it, try to bring the cue ball back even further. And here's a secret of something that I like to do. I look at cue ball last on these shots. Without a doubt, this systematic approach is not only going to teach you how to draw the cue ball, it's going to teach you how to draw the cue ball with accuracy. And that is very important, pool players. If you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor and share this video. It really helps because it'll help build the channel, and I need your help. We're trying to build a coalition of positive-minded pool players that want to learn this game at a more rapid pace. Also, please hit that thumbs up. That helps drive the algorithm. And check out ronthepoolstudent.com. That's my new website. Take a look at the new merch that we have to offer. And if you feel like making a purchase, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to see another great tutorial that'll be very helpful for your game, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.